Have you ever wondered why the real estate market behaves the way it does? It's a puzzling question that has intrigued many of us. The real estate market is a complex mechanism, a dance of factors, each performing their own intricate steps, all contributing to the larger ballet that we observe as market behavior. Let's begin by considering some of the key performers in this dance. One of the most influential is economic indicators. These indicators include factors such as the health of the job market, wage growth, and the overall condition of the economy. A robust job market can lead to increased demand for housing as individuals feel more financially secure. Conversely, a struggling economy can lead to decreased demand as people tighten their belts. Next, we turn our attention to interest rates. These rates, set by central banks, influence the cost of borrowing money. When interest rates are low, it's cheaper for people to borrow money to buy homes, which can drive up demand. But when interest rates rise, the cost of borrowing increases, potentially cooling the market. Then there's the principle of supply and demand. In its simplest form, when there's a surplus of homes on the market, prices tend to drop. But if there are more buyers than homes available, prices can rise. It's a delicate balance that can be influenced by a myriad of factors, from population growth to zoning laws. Finally, we can't ignore the impact of external factors such as political stability and policy changes. For instance, tax incentives for homeowners can fuel demand, while political unrest can cause hesitancy in the market. In short, the real estate market is a complex and dynamic entity, shaped by a multitude of elements. Each factor dances to its own rhythm, collectively creating the ebb and flow we observe in the market. It's a fascinating spectacle, and understanding these factors can help you predict where the market is headed. Now that we've established the factors that influence the real estate market, let's dive into the current trends. The first trend that's been catching everyone's attention is the rise of virtual real estate tours. While virtual tours have been around for a while, they've gained significant traction in recent years. Imagine exploring a property from the comfort of your home, taking your time to view each room in detail without feeling rushed. This convenience is not only appealing to potential buyers, but also beneficial to sellers and real estate agents, as it widens the pool of potential clients who can tour the property, irrespective of their geographical location. Next, let's talk about a trend that's been growing not just in the real estate market, but in many sectors across the globe: the popularity of sustainable and green homes. Home buyers are increasingly seeking energy-efficient homes that minimize environmental impact and reduce utility bills. Solar panels, energy-efficient appliances, and sustainable building materials are just a few of the features that are in high demand. This trend reflects a growing awareness and commitment to environmental sustainability, and it's redefining the way homes are being built and renovated. Another trend that's been reshaping the real estate landscape is the rise of remote work. With more and more companies adopting work-from-home policies, people are no longer bound by the need to live close to their workplace. This shift has led to a change in where people want to live. We're seeing an increase in demand for homes in suburban and rural areas, as people seek larger living spaces and a quieter lifestyle away from the hustle and bustle of city life. This trend is also causing a shift in the type of properties in demand, with home offices and high-speed internet connectivity becoming essential features. It's also worth noting the trend of multi-generational living, which is experiencing a resurgence. More families are opting for homes that can accommodate multiple generations under one roof, driven by factors such as the rising cost of living, the need for family support, and cultural preferences. This trend is influencing home designs, with more demand for homes with multiple master suites, large communal spaces, and features that cater to the needs of both older and younger generations. Lastly, let's touch on the trend of investing in secondary cities. As property prices continue to soar in major cities, investors are looking to secondary cities that offer a more affordable entry point and promising growth potential. These cities often have a strong local economy, a growing population, and ongoing infrastructure development, making them attractive investment destinations. It's clear that the real estate market is a dynamic field, constantly shaped and reshaped by various trends. From the rise of virtual tours and sustainable homes to the shift in living preferences due to remote work and multi-generational living, these trends are not only reflective of societal changes and advancements in technology, but are also indicators of where the market might be headed. These trends are shaping the future of the real estate market. Technology is also playing a significant role in shaping the real estate market. The digital age is revolutionizing industries across the globe, and real estate is no exception. Let's delve into how technology is making real estate transactions easier and more efficient. Firstly, online listings have changed the game. Gone are the days of physically scouring neighborhoods for sale signs or endlessly flipping through newspaper classifieds. Today, prospective buyers can browse properties from the comfort of their homes, filtering options based on location, price, property type, and more. This ease of access to information empowers buyers, allowing them to make informed decisions before even stepping foot into a potential new home. But technology doesn't stop at listings. Virtual tours are another significant technological advancement in real estate. These immersive experiences provide a 360-degree view of a property, allowing potential buyers to explore every nook and cranny without leaving their current location. This not only saves time and resources, but also broadens the potential buyer pool, as individuals can virtually visit properties miles away or even in another country. Finally, we can't forget about the digitalization of paperwork. Remember the mountain of paperwork associated with buying or selling a property? Well, technology is working to make that a thing of the past. Digital contracts and electronic signatures are becoming the norm, simplifying the process and reducing the need for physical meetings. This makes transactions quicker, more efficient, and less prone to errors. In conclusion, technology is revolutionizing the real estate industry, making it more user-friendly and efficient. From online listings and virtual tours to digital paperwork, these advancements are not just conveniences, they're necessities in our fast-paced digital world. The result is a real estate process that's less about stress and paperwork, and more about finding the perfect space to call home. Technology is streamlining the real estate process and changing the way we buy and sell homes. What might the future of the real estate market look like? As we gaze into our crystal ball, a few key trends emerge that could significantly shape the real estate landscape. For starters, let's talk about the influence of technology. As we've seen in recent years, technology has revolutionized how we buy, sell, and manage properties. This trend is set to continue with advancements in artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and blockchain. Imagine touring a house from the comfort of your living room, making an offer through a secure blockchain transaction, and having an AI manage your property. The future of real estate is likely to be more digital, more efficient, and more convenient. Next, we have the potential for more sustainable housing. As climate change concerns grow, so does the demand for eco-friendly homes. Solar panels, energy-efficient appliances, and green building materials are already popular. But the future might bring more radical changes. We could see more houses built with recycled materials, more green spaces integrated into urban developments, and more innovative solutions to reduce our carbon footprint. Sustainability is not just a buzzword, it's a necessity, and the real estate market is poised to play a pivotal role in this green revolution. Now let's touch on changes in where people live due to remote work. The COVID-19 pandemic has drastically altered our work patterns. With more and more people working remotely, the necessity to live close to one's workplace is disappearing. This shift has sparked a migration from crowded cities to quieter suburban or rural areas. In the future, we might see a more even distribution of population and real estate demand across the country. This could lead to a rise in property values in previously overlooked regions and a potential decrease in traditionally hot markets. But that's not all. Remote work also means that the home is not just a place to live, but also a place to work. This could spur demand for homes with dedicated office spaces or high-speed internet connections. We might also see an increase in co-living spaces or multi-generational homes as people seek to balance their work and personal lives. These are just predictions, of course. The future of the real estate market, like any other market, will be shaped by a myriad of factors: economic, social, technological, environmental, and more. Some of these changes might happen sooner than we think, while others might take decades to materialize. The only certainty is that change is inevitable. So as we look to the future, let's embrace these changes. Let's use technology to make real estate transactions more transparent and efficient. Let's build homes that are not just comfortable, but also sustainable. Let's adapt to new work patterns and create living spaces that suit our evolving needs. Because the future of the real estate market is not just about properties and prices, it's about people and possibilities. And that future, dear listeners, is full of possibilities. If you're thinking about investing in real estate, it's important to understand the market. You see, real estate investment is a bit like a game of chess. It's not just about the bold moves, but also about understanding the board, plotting your strategy, and being ready to adapt when the game takes an unexpected turn. Let's first discuss the benefits. Real estate investment can offer high returns. It's one of the few investment vehicles where using the bank's money couldn't be easier. The ability to make a down payment, leverage your capital, and thus increase your overall return on investment is incredible. In addition, real estate investment provides cash flow. If you invest in rental properties, you're essentially buying a stream of future income, which can provide a steady, passive income stream and help you retire early or simply enjoy a higher quality of life. Moreover, it offers tax advantages. The government rewards rental property owners. Not only is the cash flow from your rentals not subject to self-employment tax, but the government also offers tax benefits including depreciation and significantly lower tax rates for long-term profits. Now let's look at the other side of the coin, the risks. Like any investment, real estate can have its downturns. Property values can decrease, and your cash flow can dry up if you lose tenants. It's not always easy to sell property, and it can be even more challenging when the market is down. Maintenance and unexpected expenses can also pose a significant risk. When you own property, you're responsible for keeping it up. That can mean anything from a new coat of paint to a new roof or heating system, and these expenses can add up quickly. Then there's the risk of getting in over your head. Real estate investing requires a lot of research, knowledge, and in many cases, a significant amount of time. It's not a passive investment if you're spending all your time dealing with tenants and fixing problems. Finally, there's the risk of the unknown. Changes in the neighborhood, the local economy, or even broader economic or political trends can impact the value of your investment. To mitigate these risks, it's crucial to do your research, understand your market, and have a well-thought-out plan. This includes being realistic about potential expenses and having a contingency plan for market downturns. It also means knowing your limits, both in terms of finances and time commitment. Investing in real estate can be a great way to build wealth, but it's important to do your research and understand the market. It's not for everyone, but for those with the right mindset, resources, and willingness to learn. It can be a rewarding endeavor. So step into this game of chess with your eyes wide open, ready to make your move. So what have we learned about the real estate market? First and foremost, we've recognized that the real estate market is a complex and dynamic entity, influenced by a myriad of factors. From macroeconomic conditions like interest rates and unemployment rates to local factors such as school quality and neighborhood amenities, each element plays its role in shaping the market's ebb and flow. We've explored current trends, seeing how urbanization, demographic shifts, and changes in consumer preferences are shaping the face of real estate. We've observed the rise of the sharing economy, the demand for sustainable and eco-friendly properties, and the increasing popularity of multi-generational housing. We've also delved into the transformative impact of technology on the real estate landscape. We've seen how digital platforms are democratizing access to real estate information, how virtual reality is revolutionizing property viewings, and how big data and artificial intelligence are giving real estate professionals unprecedented insights into market dynamics. Peering into the crystal ball, we've considered what the future may hold for the real estate market. We've discussed how evolving technologies, changing consumer preferences, and potential shifts in economic and regulatory landscapes could reshape the industry in ways we can only begin to imagine. And finally, we've talked about investing in real estate, underscoring the potential benefits and risks. We've highlighted the importance of doing thorough due diligence, understanding your risk tolerance, and staying flexible in the face of market volatility. We've emphasized that real estate investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a long-term commitment that requires patience, persistence, and a good dose of savvy. In a nutshell, the real estate market is as fascinating as it is complex, and it's a field that rewards those who take the time to understand its intricacies. Whether you're a home buyer, a home seller, an investor, or just a curious onlooker, knowledge is power. Understanding the real estate market can help you make informed decisions, whether you're buying a home, selling a home, or investing in real estate.